Dash, the new engine. One day the engines were away, so the Fat Controller bought a new engine. His name was Dash. He was a logging loco and was determined to show how strong he is. Look at me pull all these coaches around the track, and I'm really fast, he boasted. Be careful, said Kevin. You don't want to end up like Smudger. He thought he was all strong. Later, Dash met Duck, who had a goods train behind him. Don't go so fast over points, said Duck. It's dangerous. They're not for me, said Dash. Signalman doesn't get them right all the time, said Duck. They might change while you're going faster, and they won't change at all. They do for me, snapped Dash. Now go away. I don't need some smelly Great Western engine telling me what to do. And Dash chuffed away. And then it happened. Dash was going way too fast along the track. Signalman was about to change the points really quick. Dash couldn't stop himself as he went the wrong way and he was on Duck's line now. Ah! Said Duck as garbage went all over him. Dash just let off steam. The Fat Controller is not going to be pleased.